Hi everyone, can you hear me? Hi, welcome to HTML. Start the session. Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? URL. 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 Hi everyone, can you hear my voice? So welcome to HTML. We'll start the session. Hi everyone, can you hear my voice? So welcome to HTML. We'll start the session. Hi everyone, can you hear my voice? So welcome to HTML. We'll start the session. Hi everyone, can you hear my voice? So welcome to HTML. We'll start the session. Hi everyone, can you hear my voice? So welcome to HTML. We'll start the session. Hi everyone, can you hear my voice? So welcome to HTML. We'll start the session. Hi everyone, can you hear my voice? So welcome to HTML. We'll start the session. Hi everyone, can you hear my voice? So welcome to HTML. We'll start the session. Hi everyone, can you hear my voice? So welcome to HTML. We'll start the session. Hi everyone, can you hear my voice? So welcome to HTML. We'll start the session. Hi everyone, can you hear my voice? So welcome to HTML. Can you hear my voice? Hi everyone, can you hear my voice? Hello. So welcome to HTML. Can you hear my voice? Hello. So hi everyone, welcome to MyGo Minds. I think you all are here attended for 2 days workshop on HTML. So nowadays full stack development is high demand in the market. You all are here. If you want to become a full stack developer, full stack Java developer, full stack .NET developer, full stack Python developer, Mean stack, Merge stack, Maven stack. If you want to become a full stack developer, first of all you must have the knowledge on UI technologies. UI technologies means what all of you? If you want to become a full stack developer, first of all you must have the knowledge on UI roadmap for any web application developer is if you want to become a full stack developer, first of all you must have the knowledge on HTML. Is it clear? Today our session is 2 days workshop on HTML, which is one of the powerful language, markup language, hypertext markup language. So before going to HTML, you must have the knowledge on some basics on software. Like what is software? Software is nothing but collection of programs. So before going to HTML, you must have the knowledge on why to develop these software applications? Simply to automate the organization collection of programs. In order to automate the organizations, we have to develop different types of software applications actually. These software applications are basically divided into three types. One is desktop application, other one is web application, another one is mobile applications. Desktop applications are three types. One is desktop application on single machine are called as desktop applications. Mobile application. Example: Notepad, calculator, MS Office, VLC media player, Windows media player, antivirus, Skype. These all are the examples of desktop applications. Desktop applications can be developed by using programming languages like C, C++, Java, C#, .NET. These all we can develop the desktop applications. Coming to web applications are nothing but the applications that we access via browser and all. The type of applications are called as web applications. Web applications can be developed by using Fullstack Java, Fullstack .NET, Fullstack Python, Meanstack, Mergestack, Navenstack, etc. If you want to develop web applications, then these web applications are basically divided into two types. One is static web application, other one is dynamic web applications. That anyway we'll discuss later. Next, coming to mobile apps. The apps that we download from Play Store, those all come under mobile applications. For example, how to develop the mobile apps by using Android. We download from Play Store. Xamarin Forms, React Native. We can develop the mobile apps. Example: PhonePe, Google Pay, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram. These all are the examples of mobile apps. We can develop the. So, in order to develop the web application, actually, is it clear? These all are the examples. First of all, we must have the knowledge on what. So, in order to develop the web application is nothing but the application that was deployed on the server and can be accessible via browser and HTML. That type of application is called as web application on the server and can be accessible. Clear, everyone? Can you hear my voice? That type of application is called as web application on the server and can be accessible. Clear, everyone? Can you hear my voice? That type of application is called as web application on the server and can be accessible. Clear, everyone? Now my voice is clear, everyone? That type of application is called as. Please type in the chat box, all of you. And can be clear, everyone? Now my voice is clear, everyone? Live. The session is going through live. Type in the chat box, this video to your friends. Please type in the chat box. Clear, everyone? Live. The session is going through live. Type in the chat box, this video to your friends. Please type in the chat box so that I can understand. The session is Fullstack Python developer, web application. Can you hear my voice? The session is going through live. The web applications are nothing but friends. Please type in the chat box so that I can understand. Sir, no. The application that we access via browser and internet. That type of applications are called as the web application. These web applications. Please type in the chat box. Is it clear? Sir, no. The application that we access via browser and internet. Now echo is coming. Type of applications are called as. Till echo is coming. These web applications. Please type in the chat box. Is it clear? Sir, no. Now it is okay. The application that we access via browser and internet. Now echo is coming. Type of applications. Please type in the chat box. Till echo is coming. Live chat applications. Now it is okay, right? Okay, right? Okay or not okay? That we access via browser and internet. Now echo is coming. Type of application. Type in the chat box. Till echo is coming. Live chat application. Now it is okay, right? Okay, right? Okay or not okay? That we access via browser and internet. Now echo is coming. Type of application. Type in the chat box. Till echo is coming. Live chat application. Now you check, all of you. Okay, right? Okay or not okay? Now it is okay. Still echo is there. Now echo is coming. Type of application. Type in the chat box. Still echo is coming. Live chat application. Now you check, all of you. Now it is okay. Now it is okay. Still echo is there. Now echo is coming. Type in the chat box. Still echo is coming. Live chat application. Now okay, right? Okay, right? Now you check, all of you. Please respond. Okay. Now it is okay. Still echo is there. Now the session is okay, right? Please write. Chat box. Hi everyone. Okay, right? Okay, respond. Right? Now you check, all of you. Good, please respond. Thank you. Now it is okay. Still echo is so there. HTML main purpose is to now the session is design okay, the web pages actually. So web application is nothing but the application that was deployed on the server and can be accessible via browser and internet. That type of applications are called as web applications. Main purpose is to these web applications are basically divided into two types. One is static web application, other one is dynamic web application. Static web application via browser, the application, that type of application whose content is common for all the users. Whoever will open the website, everyone can see the same content.
types. One is static. That type of applications are called as static web applications. Example, movie review websites, tutorial websites, blogs, whose content is common. This all comes under static web applications. These static web applications can be developed by using UI technologies, HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Example, movie review. Dynamic web applications are nothing but the applications whose content will change based on user, location, time, search. That type of applications are called as dynamic web applications, CSS. Based on your input will change, output also will change. That type of applications are called what? Dynamic web applications. Location. And these dynamic web applications can be developed by using Fullstack, Java, Fullstack, .NET, Python, Angular, React.js, Beanstack, Stack, Mavenstack, etc. Is it clear? For example, if I log into Facebook with my username and password, I can see my friends list. If you log in with your username and password, you can see your friends list. So based on the from one user to another user, the data will change. For example, the type of applications are called as dynamic web applications. I can see my friends. If you consider a banking application, I am developing a banking application. For example, I am logging into my bank account. I can from one user to another user. If you log in with your account, you can check your details. So from one user to another user, the data will change. That type of applications are called what? Dynamic web applications. Similarly, based on location, if I order any food in Swiggy, now MyGoMinds is located KPHB Kobanpalli near Hyderabad, opposite to JNTU. So if I order any food in Swiggy, I can see the restaurants near to my location. If you order the food in your location, you can see the restaurants near to your location. So from one location to another location, the data will change. That type of application if I order called what? Dynamic web application. Or if you book any Rapid or Ola or Uber, you can see the cabs near to your location. So based on the input, the output will change. That type of applications are called as dynamic web applications. Similarly, based on time, early morning 9 o'clock if you open Swiggy, you can see only breakfast items. Exactly at 12 o'clock again if you open Swiggy, that type of applications you can see the rice item. So based on the time, the data will change. That type of applications are called as dynamic web applications. And based on search, if you open Amazon, I want to order some mobile, you want to order some laptop. So based on the input, the output will change. That type of applications are called what? Dynamic web applications. And based on example, banking, education, e-commerce, real estate, railways, healthcare, travel websites, restaurant, ticket booking, entertainment, social networking, education. These all comes under what? Dynamic web applications only. Is it clear, everyone? So now, before developing these applications, you must have the knowledge on HTML. So today our topic is what, all of you? HTML. What is HTML? HTML full form is hypertext markup language. Before HTML full form is what, all of you? Hypertext markup language. What is the purpose of HTML? HTML is used to design web pages. HTML is used to design what? Web pages, and HTML is used to display the content. To display the content on browser. Display the content on browser in a proper format. If you want to display the content on browser in a proper format, then also we have to use HTML. For example, if I try to open any website here, if I try to open Facebook here, you can see in Facebook, you can see the Facebook login form and registration form. If you want to design this type of login form, or if you want to create a new account on Facebook, you can see the registration form. If you want to design this type of forms, then you have to learn what? HTML. But if you try to open Amazon, if you want Amazon, you can see once when you try to open Amazon.com, you can see no login form and no registration form. Just you can see what the product's information. Here you can see different types of data is there. Data is very, very important. What is data? Data is nothing but a collection of raw facts. Data may be a number, text, speech, audio, video, likes, emojis, stickers, reviews, ratings, comments, streaming data. Is it clear? So if you want to display that data in browser in a proper format, then also HTML is required. Speech, audio, video, likes, emojis, stickers, reviews, ratings, comments, streaming data. Voice is okay, all of you. So if you want to display that data in browser, so HTML is used for two reasons. Number one is to design the web page. Voice is okay, all of you. Stickers, reviews, ratings, comments, streaming data. Voice is okay, all of you. If you want to display that data in browser, so HTML is used for two reasons. Now it is okay, my voice? It is coming again. Everyone, now my voice is clear. Hello. HTML is used to design the web pages, and HTML is used to display the content on browser in a proper format. Now voice is clear, I think, right? Is it clear? So if you want to display the content on browser in a proper format, then also you have to use what? HTML. It is used for two reasons. One is to design the web pages, other one is to display the content on browser in a proper format. So let us see here. HTML is hypertext markup language. Next point I will tell, HTML is tag oriented language. HTML is nothing but tag oriented language. Here you can ask me what is tag. HTML is tag oriented language. Here you can ask me what is tag. Tag is nothing but any command that was enclosed within angle braces. Within angle braces is called as tag. Any command that was enclosed within angle braces is called as tag actually. Tags are basically divided into two types. Tags are basically divided into how many types? Two types. Tags are classified. Tags are classified into two types. Number one is container tag. Container tag, and number two is non-container tag. One is container tag, other one is non-container tag. So what is container tag? Container tag is nothing but the tag which contains both starting element. The tag which contains both starting element and ending element is called as container tag. Is called as container tag. The tag which contains both starting element and ending element. Example, HTML tag. It is a starting element. And close the HTML. Every tag will have what all of you? One is starting element, other one is what? Ending element. Tags are basically divided into two types. One is container tag, other one is non-container tag. So here you can ask me what is non-container tag. Non-container tag is nothing but the tag which contains only starting element. The tag which contains only starting element but not ending element. That is called as non-container tag. Example for non-container tag is you can consider something like HR tag, similarly BR tag. This all comes under what? Non-container tags. HTML is a tag oriented language. We cannot write any logics in HTML like JavaScript. HTML does not support any logics. If you write 2 plus 3 in JavaScript, the output is 5. But in HTML, 2 plus 3 answer is 2 plus 3 only. Check. Did you understood everyone? Are you following? So HTML is nothing but what? Tag oriented language. Why is resound is not coming, right? Now it is clear everyone? Yes, thank you. So HTML is tag oriented language. Ask the madam to share the link. Did you understood? Tag is nothing but any command that was enclosed within angle braces is called as what? Tag. Tags are basically divided into two types. One is container tag, other one is non-container tag. The tag which contains starting element and ending element, that is called as container tag. The tag which contain only starting element but not ending element, that is called as non-container tag. In HTML, all tags are predefined tags only. Did you understand? Here I'll try to write one more point. The output of HTML will be on browser. The output of HTML will be on browser actually. Is it clear everyone? HTML, JavaScript, CSS, these all outputs will be on where? Browser only. Now I'll try to write something like structure of HTML. Now, what are the different tags in HTML? Different tags in HTML. There are different tags are there. Number one is basic tags. Number two is headings. Number three is link tags. Number four you can consider as table tags. Number five you can consider as list tags.
Number 6 you can consider as image tags. Number 7 you can consider as form tags. Number 8 you can consider as frame tags. Number 9 you can consider as audio tags. And number 10 you can consider as video tags. There are different types of tags that are available in our HTML. So the main purpose of HTML is to display the content on browser in a proper format. I want to display, if there is no HTML, what is the problem? You tell me, anyone? If there is no HTML, for example, I'll try to open this website. This Amazon website I'll open. I'll try to copy Control A, Control C, and I'll try to open one notepad, and I'll try to paste it, and I'll try to save it. Go to my desktop. Here I'll give the name as ama.html. Just close it, and here you can go to your desktop, and there also here you can open this one actually. Did you understand, everyone? And if I try to open my desktop, there I can search for AMG something. Where is my, this is ama.html. You can see this output. See, this is the Amazon website. This one and this one both are same. What is the difference? Here you can see. This is also Amazon website. The same content it is displaying here also. This is my Amazon. Here you can see skip to main content and something like that. But what is missing here means formatting is missing. Data is not displayed in a proper format. If you open the original Amazon website, what you can see the photos, templates, text in font, big color. These ads you can see, some images you can see. Did you understood? So if you want to display the content on browser in a proper format, then we have to use what? HTML. HTML consists of different types of tags. These all are different types of tags that are available in our HTML. Now I want to discuss about the structure of HTML program. Let us see what is the structure of HTML program actually. The structure of HTML program. Did you understood? Structure of HTML program. HTML program consists of, here different sections are there. First of all, you have to start the program with HTML tag. It is a container tag. HTML tag is a container tag which contains starting element and what? Ending element. Is it clear? HTML is a container tag which contains starting element and ending element. And here you can open the head tag. And here you can close the head tag. And here you can open the body tag. And here you can close the body tag. So HTML consists of two sections. One is head, other one is body. Inside the body you have to write which code? Design code. Inside the head. Is it clear? So what is the purpose of HTML is nothing but to design the web pages. If you want to design the web page, you have to use what? HTML. If you want to perform any validations, for example, if I try to open my Facebook, here if the user is not giving any input, directly click on button, display the error messages. Username must not be empty, password must not be empty, select your gender, enter your mobile number, date of birth, etc. So if you want to display any type of error messages or validations, then you have to learn what? JavaScript. And all these error messages are displaying in different colors, red color, the border color, font, height, width. Then you have to learn what? CSS, cascading style sheet. Now where to write the JavaScript code? Generally, if you want to write any JavaScript code, you can write inside the head tag only. Always JavaScript code must written inside the script tag within the head tag. So inside the head tag you can open script. Here you can write type is equal to text/JavaScript. Text/JavaScript, and here you can close the script tag. Did you understand? Inside script tag, what you have to write? Write JavaScript code here. Write JavaScript code here. And if you want to write any CSS code, here you can open style tag. Style type is equal to text/CSS, and here close your style tag. Inside the style tag, you have to write CSS code here. Write CSS code here. Inside the body tag, you can write design code. So your HTML program will look like this. First of all, open your HTML tag. Your HTML tag consists of two sections. One is head and other one is what? Body. One is head section, other one is body. Inside the head, here again you can written one more section, that is script. Other one is style. Inside the script tag, here you have to write the JavaScript JS code here, and inside the style tag, you have to write CSS code here. Inside the style, you write CSS code. Inside the body tag, you can write the other HTML tags. You can write some table tags, or you can write some list tags, link tags, headings, whatever it may be. So this is the structure of HTML program. Open HTML tag, close HTML tag. Open head tag, close head tag. Inside that tag, open script tag, close script tag. And again open style tag, close style tag. Open table tag, close table tag. Something like that. HTML tags are predefined tags. There is no logic or magic to learn HTML. Anyone can learn HTML. Just you have to by heart the tag, and you must know the purpose of each tag. Very simplified English, if you know, it is very easy to learn HTML. Table tag means if you want to display the data on browser in the table format, then we have to use table tags. List tags. If you want to display the data on browser in the form of list, some bulleted list or ordered list or unordered list, then we have to use what? List tags. If you want to display any hyperlinks on the browser, then you have to use link tags. If you want to display photo on browser, you have to use image tags. Is it clear? If you want to display the paragraph on browser, you have to use paragraph tags. If you want to display the text in big font, you have to use headings tags. So tag, every tag will have two elements, starting element and ending element. Tags are of basically two types, container tag and non-container tag. The tag which contains both starting element and ending element, that is called as container tag. The tag which contains only starting element but not ending element, that is called as non-container tags. All tags are predefined tags. Are you following, everyone? Online students, my voice is clear right now, everyone. Please type in the chat box. Please try to share in your groups also, because it's very helpful for everyone. Voice is clear? Please type in the chat box, all of you. I'm waiting for your reply, all of you. Is it clear? HTML is a simplified language. There is no meaning if you learn HTML for so many years. Is it clear? Thank you. Yeah, good. So let us see here anyway. So where we can write this HTML program? You can write the HTML program in Notepad, or you can write in Visual Studio IDE, or you can write in Visual Studio Code, or Eclipse, NetBeans, anywhere you can write HTML program. But basically, in olden days, we used to write in Notepad. Later, we'll go for VS Code also. These live classes will be there today, tomorrow, and Monday onwards, I'm starting JavaScript also. JavaScript live class at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. IST. So try to attend this session and be expert in your JavaScript also, all of you. Are you following? So this is the structure of your HTML program. It consists of head as well as body. Did you understood? So we can write the HTML basic programs you can write. So first of all, we'll discuss about heading tags. Headings. Headings means headings are used to, these tags are used to display the text in different fonts. If you want to display the text in different fonts, then we have to use what? Headings actually. Are you following, everyone? There are different types of headings are there. H1 is greater than H2, H2 is greater than H3, H3 is greater than H4, H5 and H6 and H7. There are different types of headings are there here. H1 to H7. H1 font is big. Compare with what? H2. Vice versa. So let us see one simple program. So first of all, open your D drive. There you can create one folder. New folder. The name of the folder is HTML or HTML by MGM HTML. MGM HTML, I will try to create one folder here. Already it is there, I think. No problem. Here I will try to create one folder with name HTML 2026. This is the folder I create. In D drive, I create one folder with name HTML 2026. There I want to save all my programs. So first of all, where to write the program? You can open what? Notepad. So first of all, you can go for heading tags. Headings means display the data in different fonts. So first of all, open H1 tag and close H1 tag. It is a container tag which contains starting element and ending element. Here I want to print MyGoMinds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 types of headings are there. H1,
and H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 here. There are 6 varieties are there. You can see the difference 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is the difference between H1 and H2 means the font is different. Let us save this program. Go to your D drive. Go to your HTML 2026. There you can give the name as one.html. Every HTML program must save with .html extension. The output of the HTML program will be on where? Browser. So go to here. There you can just open. Here you can see the output. So you can see in the line number 1, MyGoMinds is in big font because this is H1 tag. Next H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So if you want to display the data in different fonts, then we have to use what? Headings actually. Then we have to use headings. So after these headings, you must have the knowledge on what? After headings, you must have the knowledge on link tags. This is also one of the important tags, that is nothing but link tags. So what is the use of link tags? These tags are used to display. These tags are used to display hyperlinks on browser. These tags are used to display hyperlinks on browser. So whenever user, if we want to navigate from one web page to another web page, from one web page to another web page, then we have to use link tags. These tags are used to navigate the user request from one web page to another web page. If you consider a website, what is a website? Website is a collection of web pages. For example, if you open Gmail, you can see inbox, sent items, drafts, compose mail, etc. When you keep the cursor, when you hover the cursor on that particular text, you can see one hyperlink. That is nothing but link tags. These tags are used to navigate the user request from one page to another page. So how to apply this link tags? Let us see the syntax to work with this link tags. The syntax will be something like this. First of all, open your anchor tag. There you can see href is equal to, here you have to mention the destination URL. And here you can close the anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag, what you can do? Write some text here. Write some text here. This is your anchor tag, link tag. So here A, generally in HTML, this is called as an element actually. A is called what, all of you? Element. Href is called what? Attribute. Whatever you write inside double quotation, that is called as what? Values. So HTML element, attribute, values must be quoted. It understood? Here A is anchor is element, href is nothing but attribute. Whatever you mention inside double quotation, that is what? Value. It understood? So this is the syntax to write the link tags. Open anchor tag, href is equal to destination URL. Let us see here, all of you. I'll try to open one notepad and I'll try to write one more program here. Let us see. So first of all, open which tag? Anchor tag. Href is equal to, here you can mention the destination URL, close the anchor tag. Here I want to display something like MyGoMinds. Is it clear? Just this is my anchor tag. Open anchor. Anchor tag is a container tag which contains starting element and ending element. Href means hyperlink reference. There you have to mention the destination URL. Now I'll try to save this program. Save the program as 2.html. Just you can save it. Open your folder. Double click. You can see the output on browser. Then automatically you can see one hyperlink is displayed on the browser. You can see the hyperlink. Once when I click on this hyperlink, I want to open MyGoMinds YouTube channel. Is it clear? So here you can go, or MyGoMinds website, you can open mygominds.com. Just I'll copy this one. This is the destination URL. Did you understand, everyone? So whenever user hit that particular hyperlink, it has to navigate to this particular website. It has to navigate to this particular what? Website. So what you can do? Go to your notepad. Here you can mention the destination URL address. Here you can mention what, all of you? Destination URL address. Just internet is required. Now save this program. Now run this output again. Once again you refresh. Now you can see the MyGoMinds. When you hit this MyGoMinds, it has to navigate to the MyGoMinds website. Did you understood, everyone? So what is the use of this this one? Which one? Hyperlink anchor tag. Anchor tag is used to navigate the user request from one page to another page.
Did you understand? Next, you must have the knowledge on image tag. What is the use of image tag? Image tag is used to display image. Display image on where? Browser. If you want to display the image on browser, then you have to use image tag. What is the syntax to declare the image tag? Open img tag. src is equal to, here you have to mention the path of the image. src means source, where the image is located. Nowadays, you can see images are very powerful. Any e-commerce application, OTT platforms, you open anything, you can see the photos. Is it clear? So, if you want to display any photo on browser, then you must have the knowledge on image tag. And image will have height. Height is equal to, here you can mention some height, and here you can mention some width. Height is equal to some height, width is equal to some width. This is your image tag. So, I want to display some image. So, let us see one small example here. Open your notepad. Is it clear? Here you can open img. Here you can write src is equal to path of the image. And here you can mention height is equal to some height you can mention, and width also you can mention here. Image is a non-container tag. If you not open also, close also, no problem. So, go to your desktop. There you can select some images here. You can see lot of images are there. You can select any image. Here you can see some players images are there. Dhoni. I'll try to open Dhoni image here. Open in Internet Explorer, so that you can copy the URL of that particular image where it is located, and I'll try to paste that image here. Path, image path here. Image src is equal to path of the image, and height I will try to give as 50, and width I'll give as, height I'll give as 70. Height I'll give 70 and width I'll give what? 70. Image 1. And again I'll try to take 2, 3 and 4 images I have taken here. And first image I have given Dhoni. Second image I'll give Hardik. Just open here in the browser, copy this URL, and again open the notepad, and here again you can paste it. Is it clear? One is Dhoni, other one is Hardik Pandya. Another one is also there. Let us see. Kohli is there. Right click, open with Internet Explorer, copy the URL, and here you can paste it. 4 images I have given. For all the images I have given same height and width. Did you understood? 70 and 70. And again finally I'll try to open one more image here. Here KL Rahul, open with Internet Explorer, copy the URL, close it. Is it clear? Here also you can paste the path of the image. Now save the program. The name I'll try to give as 3.html. Just I change the src, path of the image. Open your folder. There you can go to your D drive. There you can go to HTML 2026. There you can open this third program. Just double click. You can see all the 4 images on the browser. Did you understand? So, display the photos on browser. Are you following everyone? If you want to display any text also, below that image you can give something. Alternate text is there, but still if you want you can mention here. I'll write something like H2. I'll try to give Dhoni. Here close H2. Like that you can design. Your browser is like a white paper. Is it clear? How you want to design? You can design in that manner. Here you can press F5. Now the images are looking like this. Dhoni, Hardik, because it will throw the cursor to the next line. Na? Did you understand? So that is how you can display the images actually. Are you following? That is because of which tag all of you? Image tag. Are you following? Display the data on browser in a proper format. And again, if you want to display the images in more beautiful manner, more responsive manner, means you have to use what? Bootstrap actually. Bootstrap is used to develop the responsive web pages actually. Bootstrap is a CSS framework which is used to develop the responsive web pages. Are you following? Please like and comment also, all of you. Just many people are joining and they're leaving actually. It's a free session so that it will be reached to a lot of people actually. And MyGoMinds will provide training on Fullstack, Java, .NET, Python also. Did you understood? So please try to encourage our channel. Just try to subscribe and share in your groups. Share this link to your other relevant groups or student groups so that they can also learn HTML completely free of cost. So display the photo on browser in a proper format. Then we have to use what? Image tags. Now my requirement is what? We'll play one game. I want to apply some hyperlink for image. When I click on Dhoni, I want to open the Dhoni Wikipedia page. I want to know about Dhoni, Dhoni. Then go to your Google. Just you can see about Dhoni. Here you can see the legendary Indian cricketer. Just go and click this hyperlink. You can see about the profile of Dhoni. So copy this Dhoni URL here, and here what you can do, here you can above the image tag, here you can open the anchor tag. href is equal to destination URL, and here you can close which tag? Anchor tag. So don't confuse here all of you. What is the syntax here all of you? Let us see. First open the anchor tag, and there close the anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag you can give what? Image src. Did you understood? And inside this src you can paste the image of Dhoni. So that whenever you click on Dhoni photo, it will navigate to what? Dhoni Wikipedia. See, when I click on Dhoni, you can see the hyperlink is there. Here you can see the hyperlink. Just when I click this photo, it will open the Dhoni Wikipedia page. Similarly, if you want to apply Hardik Pandya also, just here you can go to your Google and search here. These all samples you can try in your laptop. Only notepad is enough. Is it clear? Just go to Hardik Pandya Wikipedia page. Just copy the URL. Copy the URL of Hardik. And here also you can go to your image tag. And above that you can open your anchor tag. Open anchor tag. And there you can write href is equal to paste the URL. And again here you can close the anchor tag. At the end of this particular image, you can close what? Anchor tag. That's it. Save it. This is nothing but SRC image URL, this one. Inside SRC, that is nothing but what all of you? Image URL. Here href, here you have what? Hyperlink, your destination URL. Destination URL is different. Image URL is different. Now here you can open the browser, refresh. Once when I click on Hardik, it will navigate to Wikipedia of Hardik. So if you want to navigate from one page to another page, first I discussed about basic tags. Then I discussed about headings. Basic tags means HTML, head, body, title of the web page. If you want to display, you can use title tag. If you want to display the hyperlinks on browser, you can use anchor tags or link tags. If you want to display photo on browser, you can use image tags. And nested tags, you can give one tag inside another tag. You can give image tag inside anchor tag. So that when user hit that particular image, it will navigate to the next page. Even if you open Amazon, when you click on any product, it will go to that product page. These are nothing but image inside the anchor tag. Are you following everyone? Online students, please respond live. Is it clear? Tags are basically divided into two types. Is it clear? Container tag and non-container tag. My voice is clear, everyone? Please respond in the chat box. Any command that was enclosed within angle braces, that is called as tag actual. This is how you can display the image on browser, and when user hit the image, it will navigate to the destination page. Are you following, everyone? If you want to, next important tag is nothing but table tags. Next important tag is table tags. So what is the use of table tags? Table tags are used to display the data on browser in table format. In which format? See, one point, you are not designers. Full stack developer, basic HTML is enough for you. Is it clear, everyone? JavaScript, you have to focus more. JavaScript is very powerful. It is a scripting language. So tags, table tags means table tags are used to display the data on browser in the table format. Every table tag is a container tag which contains starting element and ending element. So here table consists of two sections. One is table head, T head. Other one is table body, T body. Inside the table tag, if you want, you can open tr tag, td tag you can open. Otherwise, I will show you in a simple manner. Many people will confuse how to work with this table tag.
So you already know how the table will look like. This is your table. Table is nothing but a collection of rows and what? Columns. So number of rows, how many? 3 rows are there. Here number of columns, how many? 2 columns are there here. Are you following? So horizontal is called row, vertical is called columns. Don't confuse. The number of rows, 1, 2, 3 rows are there. Number of columns, first column and second column is there. So whenever you want to work with the table tag, first of all you have to open the table tag. It is a container tag which contains starting element and ending element. Once when you open the tag, immediately you have to close the tag. And here this is the first row. So you can open tr tag and here close the tr tag. First row is completed. And inside the tr you can open one td tag, table data, and close the td tag. And again open one more td tag. Here close the td tag. Here you can display some text, student number, column names, student name. Initially we are doing like that. Later I will make this one as table headings. First row is completed. Second row, again open tr tag. Again close tr tag here. Inside this tr again open td tag. Again close td. Again open td. Again close td. Close tr. Second row is completed. Here I want to display some data. 101. Some KB I will try to give. KannaBabu. And again open one more tr. And again close what? tr. Again open td. Here close what? td. Open td. Close td. Here I'll give 102. Here I'll give Sunil. So this is how you have to write the code. A very, very good habit when you learn HTML. When you open the tag, immediately close the tag. Keep the cursor in between. And again nested. Many people will write table, tr, td, td, td. Confusion. No, when you open table, immediately close what? Table tag. So table tag means it is used to display the data in the form of what? Table, which is collection of rows and columns. Let us say I will write the code here. I will open one table tag and immediately I will try to close the table tag. It is a container tag. And again open one tr tag and immediately I will try to close the tr tag. How many rows are there? 3 rows. First row, second row and what? Third row. Again in first row, again here I want to open one td tag. And again I will try to close what? td here. 2 rows, 2 columns are there. Here I want to display student number. Here I want to display student name. And again in second row, again in second row, again I want how many columns, how many cells? 2, td. Again close what? td. And again open td and close td. Here you can give 101. Here I'll try to give kb. And again I'll open, this is my second row is complete. This is first row. How the table will look like, all of you? Let us see here, all of you. First open your table tag. Inside the table tag, how many rows are there? tr first row, second row, and what? Third row. Inside tr, how many cells are there? td, columns are there, td. Here also td, here also td. td and what? td. So how to write the code? This is the tree structured format. In future, you will understand about this one, that we can consider as a DOM also when we go to JavaScript. How to write the code for this, all of you? How to write the code? First of all, open table tag. Open table tag, close table tag, open tr, close tr, open td, close td, open td, close td. Again open tr, close tr, td, close td, td, close td. Something like that. I am following the same sequence so that you can learn these table tags in an easy manner. And again one more I will try to give. Here 102. Here I will try to give Sunil, something like this. And again I will try to give one more tr tag. Again copy. Here again paste it. Here I'll try to give 103. Here I'll give what? Ajay Kumar. Did you understood? So this is my data. So save this program. Save the program as table.html. Now see the output here, all of you. Here you can see table.html. You can see the data was displayed in the form of table. But you cannot see the border lines. If you want to display the border lines here, inside the table here you have border. Border is equal to 1. Save it. Once you can see the output, you can see the border. These table tags are very, very important because to format your page, if you want to design, if you take a Facebook registration page, all the text boxes will be in a sequence because these are also kept inside the table tags. If you want to display the employee details or student details or anything, then also you can use what? Table tags. Display the data on browser in a proper format. Did you understand? Then we have to use what? Table tags. Are you following, everyone? Please respond, everyone.
Yes or no? Every tag will have two elements. One is starting element, other one is what? Ending element. My voice is clear, everyone? So table tags are used to display the data on browser in the form of table. Table is nothing but a collection of rows and what? Columns. Did you understand? So you can display any type. If you want to display the student number, student name in big font, generally we'll use what? TH tag. Instead of TR, you can use what? TH. Table headings. So that you can see the column names in big font here. Is it clear? Sorry, inside TR, you can use what? TH. Table headings. Save it. So that the column names will be in big font. Here you can. So until now we discussed about table tags, anchor tags, and we discussed about other tags also. If you want to develop a simple project also, you can develop now. Let us see, develop a simple project to maintain the player details. So let us see here. So first of all, I will try to open one table tag, and table tag is a container tag which contains starting element and ending element. Here I'll try to open one tr tag, table row, and close the tr tag. Inside tr, I'll try to open one th tag, table heading, close the th. Here I want to give something like player ID. I want to mention, and again one side, one more. I'll try to give th player name, and here I want to display player pick. I want to display the player pick also. Did you understand? Something like that. And again I'll try to again open one tr tag, and again I'll try to close the tr, and here I'll try to open one td tag, and here again I'll try to close what? Td. Copy this one, 2 3. Is it clear? 2 3, something like this. So in the first td I want to display the player id 1001. This is my player id, and in the second one what I want to do means I want to display the player name. Player name I'll try to give as Dhoni. And in the third one I want to display the player photo. So here I want to display image tag. img src is equal to path of the image. Here I will try to mention what? Height is equal to some 50 I will try to give, and here I will try to keep width is equal to some 50. This is one Dhoni image I want to place here. This is one tr. Open tr, close tr. And again if you want, again open one more tr tag, and again close one more tr. Here again open one td, and again close what? TD. Here you can give 1002. Again 2 3. Here you have to mention what? Hardik. Hardik Pandya. And here I want to give the destination URL. So I will try to display one image of Hardik. Image SRC is equal to, here I have to mention the height as well as width. Is it clear? Display the data on browser in a proper form. I want to display the photo on browser. This is your TR. Again copy this one, 2, here 3, here 4. Here I'll try to give something like 1003. Here I'll give the name as what? Kohli. Developing a simple project, Kohli. And here I'll give the name as 1004. And here I'll try to give the name as KL Rahul. That's it. So you can paste the images here. Player ID, player name, and player pick. Open your folder. There you can see where is my folder is there. All the player images I kept somewhere now. Go to your desktop. There you can go here. There you can see desktop 2025. There you can see players. First of all, right click, open with Internet Explorer, copy the path of the image here, you can paste it, save it. And then here what you can do, Hardik, right click, open with Internet Explorer, copy the URL, and here what you can do, paste it, 1002. Here you can paste in SRC. And again here I'll try to open Kohli, right click, open with Internet Explorer, copy the URL, and here you can paste it in the third part. And again here you can right click, here you can open Rahul Internet Explorer, and here also you can copy, and here you can paste it. Like that you can display the data on browser in the form of a table. Now save this one, save the program as player.html. player.html, click on save. Here you can open your, go to your D drive, there you can check HTML 2026, there you can see player.html, here you can see all the player details. But if you want any border lines means, here you have to mention what? Border. Table, here you can give what? Border is equal to, some 2 I will give, so that light border you will get. Now whenever I click on image, it has to go to the destination page. Is it clear? Or you can, this time you can keep a YouTube video. Here you can go to YouTube and there you can type what? Something like Dhoni batting. You can watch any video. For example, I will try to copy this URL. YouTube video is there. Just here I will try to go to my image there. Here inside the image, above the image tag, I will open the anchor tag. href is equal to some URL. YouTube URL I kept here. And again close the anchor tag. Save it. Once check the output on your browser. Refresh. Now once I click on Dhoni photo, it will open the YouTube and directly you can see the live match of Dhoni, how he is batting. So just if you want to navigate from one page to another page, then you have to use what? Link tags actually. Are you following? You can apply the link tags for image or you can apply link tags for text. Nested tags also will be there. So today we have discussed about different tags in HTML, like basic tags we discussed about link tags, we discussed about headings, we discussed about image tags, we discussed about how to place image inside the hyperlink, how to apply hyperlink for image, and we discussed about table tags also. Tomorrow we will try to discuss about how to develop a simple project with HTML by using form tags and frame tags. I hope you understood. Thank you. For better videos, you can subscribe to our channel, and every week mostly we'll try to cover some important, we'll come with the new content. Thank you. Catch you later. Please try to like, share and subscribe our channel.